Okay. The Clover InfoTech latest interview question and answers. Twenty-seventh FEB. Okay. Now, what are the questions they asked means? Tell me about yourself. Okay. My hi, all good evening. Myself Ganesh, having 7+ years of total experience. Currently associated with IT services or organizations. My roles and responsibilities are one is installing the installation manager and various product configurations, and next creating the profiles and configuring federations, federation, creating the clusters and deploy the applications. Fifth one, very much interesting to create the data source, and implement SSL in prod and non-prod environments. Okay. And the seventh one, implement the fix pack based on the client requirement. Eighth one, we solved the I was solved the VAPT points slash and SCD points we have successfully closed the VA points and SCD points. Ninth one, I have certified in IBM WebSphere application server version 9.0 10th one. 10th one. Certified in AWS Solution Architect. Professional. Professional. Okay. Resolved the P1, P2, P3 and P4 related issues without escalations, without SLA breach, without SLA breach. 12th one. Resolved the out of memory issues and application slowness issues. Okay. And the 13th one. Resolved the client or server side related issues. Okay, this is the main roles and responsibilities in the current organizations. Okay, so second question. Question number 2. What is SSL? Why we are using SSL in the organizations? Okay, answer is for SSL. For SSL means secure socket layer. By using this, we will avoid where such kind of malware attacks, that is nothing but man in middleware attack and or DDoS or cross site scripting, etc. Okay, full SSL is full secure for the applications, that is internet or intranet applications. Internet or intranet applications. This is question number 3. What is SHA 256? Okay, this is SHA means signature hash algorithm, that is 256. Okay, in the bit 32-bit 32-bit. Suppose I will say hello, but SHA 256 algorithm will be converted into below format like this. It will converted into below format. Okay, this is question number 3. After that, Question number 4. What is difference between public versus private keys? Okay. Answer. Okay. In this, we have some encryption and decryption mechanism. We will consider here encryption, decryption, public key encryption and private key decryption. Okay, this is the main scenarios. Public key encryption and private key description. Okay, suppose client send request to the server by using their browser. Okay, so client send ABC that converted into private key in the form of in the middle of the IHS. It will converted into in the public key, private key, and decrypted and sent to the server in the format of full security purpose that will be converted decrypt, and any information will be retrieved in the form of decrypted and went to the client in encryption format and go to the end user. Encryption and decryption will be there. This is computer networks, it will be there. Okay, computer networks hash algorithms will be considered. This is public and private key encryptions are there. In this is regularly we are using in the real-time scenarios. Public key encryption, private key decryption. Okay, this is real-time scenarios. They asked in the interview questions. Interview Clover InfoTech. This is the main question they are asked. Okay. Question number 5. I will show you some points related about public key and private keys. Use cases. I will show some use cases. SSL and TLS handshake. In this use case, encrypt the session key, and a private key decrypt the session key. Okay, and a digital signatures means verify the authenticity and create the signatures, and data encryptions and encrypt sensitive data and decrypt the data. Okay, this is public key means you have encrypt and a private key means decrypt. Okay, and I use it, right? SHA. SHA is the cryptography as algorithm. It provided 256 and 32 byte. Okay, 256 32 bit. Like this, we are using in the real-time scenarios. .256 byte. Okay. After this, question number 5. Question number 5. Now, how to test SSL in 2 servers. Wait 2 minutes. I will connect the charger. 2 servers. How to test 2 servers? 2 servers What is the process? What is the process? There is open SSL, SL underscore client hyphen connect and a target server and port number. That's it. That's it. I will show you the evidence. I have two servers, okay, two application servers. I have used OpenSSL SL underscore client hyphen connect target server apps target server host name of the target server. I have same host name and column port number. I will show you the port number. Wait, I will show you the port number. Sorry, my DM jar is down. I will up. Sorry, 9043, right? So here, administrator was admin at the rate 123. This is LDAP. Yeah, it will come. Wait. So here, go to server, go to server types, go to WebSphere application servers. Go to here, cluster server 2. Go to here, port number. Admin security 17093. We have command is there, don't worry. S underscore client. Error connection refused. So In this case, I have not started the server. Due to this, I will show you how to. I will start the server. cd app server to cd bin dot slash start node dot sh. This is the command open SSL space s client hyphen connect 17093 connection is refused. Or we can use double C admin secure. I will show you 17092 open SSL s underscore client 192.168.201.128 17093. See, it will not started, connection refused. So in this scenario, we have started the server. Then we can verify. Slash opt IBM HTTP server under that bin Apache CTL -k start PS -f pipe symbol grep HTTPD. Okay. Now I will use 3443 connected. Okay. See, because it will already is there. It will already is there. Okay. IHS is already up. IHS is already up. See, IHS is already up. There is no issues for that. I have tested the IHS with the same command. Below is the output. Below is the output. Verification is self-signed certificate. New TLS 1.2 we are using. This is the ciphers. Server public key 2004 to 348 bit and a secure supported none. Okay. SSL sessions protocol using this session ID and this is Citrix. Okay. This is master self-signed certificate. Self-signed certificate they are using. After that, this is we can test in the real-time scenarios. Cluster 2 is not started. This is the evidence. Okay, I will show you here. So here I will test the same thing. Yes, port number is correct. That way it will success for VAS. Okay, this is see, your algorithm is too weak. This is the VAS server. It will return see each and everything clearly shows. In this here. Okay. Now this is completed. Now we are moving to which question? Now I will move to question number 6. Question number 6. Now, what is the JDBC URL? What is the JDBC URL? JDBC URL, JDBC, column, Oracle, column, thin, column, Oracle @ localhost, column 1521/XC is the port number. This is default port number, default JDBC. We are using thin drivers. Thin driver means directly establish the connections. Okay. So this is 1521 is Oracle. 50,000 is the DB2 port number. Oracle. 1521 is the port number. Okay. 1521. SQL Server 1433. MySQL 3306. DB2 50,000 is the port number. Okay. This is the question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7. Suppose we have types are there. Types are there. Provider type. Provider types. What are they? What are they? Okay. So here answer there are XA and non-XA connection pool data source. Providers, connection pool data source. They're asked questions. Question number 8. Question number 8. And XA and non-XA or connection pool data source will support internet or intranet based applications. applications. Can you confirm this? So here answer is XA or non-XA will support both, supports both internet or intranet based applications. There is no point of time. There is no concept is there. XI is only supports internet. Non-XI will support intranet, internet. There is no concept. Everything is configured. Everything is supports internet or intranet. So here in this scenario, what is XA? XA means we will connect multiple databases at single point of time. Single point of time. Okay, non-XA or connection pool data source. Connection pool data source. We will connect database by using single time. We will connect database at single time. There is no concept for XA supports internet or intranet, and non-XA supports intranet or internet based applications. Okay. After that, question number 9. Suppose in WebLogic, in SSL certificate, how to implement answer. We will create key store, name it as .jks format, and added the certificates into them. So here they asked, I will add trust to store. What happens in my employment time or period, we are not implemented SSL in trust store in WebLogic level. In WebLogic level. Question number 10. Okay. How to integrate Apache server with other application servers? Here answer is mod JK and mod cluster. This is the main scenario is there. You can connect. Okay, in this http d.conf, ssl.conf, and in the http d.conf, we will use include ssl.conf include in mod underscore jk, include mod underscore cluster. We will mention in the parameter as this. Okay. This is the parameters we are passing in the http d.conf is the most important configuration file for SSL. For SSL level, ssl.conf is there. Okay. ssl.conf. Suppose we have some certificates are there in Apache Tomcat. In this etc httpd conf, this is the path http d.conf. Okay, /etc and ssl. This is the path etc httpd and ssl. We have this is the ssl.conf file will be there. Okay, and that where logs in this path access.log and error.log will be there. Okay. This and this is the most scenarios they are asking the question in this. In question number 11. What is the use of key stores and KDBs? Key store, nothing but key.pitbull. Trust store, nothing but trust.pitbull. Keys and trust. And in a high HS level, we are using KDBs and RDBs. Stashes we are using. Okay. After that, question number 12. Are you integrate OHS with WebLogic server? I am not sure this. I am not sure this. We will do once. We will do once with the steps, with the proper steps, then we'll get OHS integration part. Okay. Question number 13. What is the difference between O-batch versus SP batch versus SP batch? O-batch, nothing but Oracle patch. Okay, we will download Download from Oracle Corporation site. Every 3 months, they will release the patches. Okay. SB patch means I fix for the for the web patch for the web logic. We need to check. We need to pre-check or prerequisites. This in this Java is up to the mark or not. Or web patch up to the mark or not. We will verify. Dot/web patch space hyphen prerequisites. We are give the commands. Okay. After that, question number 14. Question number 14. In the we have one AHS will be there. 4 application servers are there. Request will serve one request, one app server. Okay. Second request, second app server. Okay. Third request, third app server. Okay. Fourth request, fourth app server. Okay. This is round robin algorithm. Okay. Now, fifth request will serve first app server. I don't want this. Fifth request will serve second app servers. In this scenario, we will use round robin algorithm in plugin-cfg.xml. Another is there random algorithms. In these scenarios, we will meet this. In this scenario, we will meet this. In this scenario, we will meet this. We will meet this request. Okay. Randomly send the request to app server. Okay, randomly send request to app server by using round robin algorithm. Sorry, by using random algorithms. Default is round robin algorithms. Okay. This is question number 14. Now we are doing here question number 15. Okay. Now we patch the servers. we patch servers means we deploy. We are updated the application after post update application not accessing IHS but accessing in application servers. Application. What are the scenarios? Means we will use generate or propagate plugins if anything corrupt the files, that is http d.conf. Okay, we will take from lower environment and we will use this in current environment and changes the host name and port numbers, enable SSL load modules, and later again we will generate and propagate the plugins. Generate and propagate the plugins. Okay. Later, we will map IHS server into the applications. Later, we will restart the IHS server by using /apache ctl -k start. You can access application. I will show you. We have access application. Now we are access application, right? I will show you 192.168.201.128 3443. IHS is running. Okay, no issues. Application is accessing or not, we can verify. Yes, application is accessing. There is no issue in my environment. Application is accessing after post to deployment. No issues is there. We cannot take backup. They're asking about. There is no backup. Okay. There is no backup files. Okay. In this scenario, how to troubleshoot? In this scenarios, how to troubleshoot? Okay, like this, they are using. Question number 15. This is the main scenarios they touches. Okay, this is the main interview questions. There touches 15 interview questions they are asked. Okay. They're asked EJB and all the things. This is the main interview questions. There touches. They're asked EJB port number. I don't know EJB port number. I will show you. What is EJB port number for IBM WebSphere. EJB means that is 80 and 9080 by default. Okay. Only only difference is URL and one of the use WebSphere port number by default embedded EJB. Okay, EJB. Enterprise Java bean also we can use. Wait, it will be there. EJB and RMI port in WebSphere. Wait, I will show you here. Which port number? EJB. Stateless. But actually 9080 only we are thinking. But I'm not damn sure, not sure. That way we are not telling anything. In interview, we cannot discuss. We are damn sure, then only we can deliver the answer. Otherwise, we don't know. I don't know. We can deliver like this. Use this. See, 900 for administrative console, 9080 for non-secure, non-secure. Okay. EJB port number is 9000. Okay. By default, 9000 is there. Okay. Like this, we are using in this real-time scenarios. Okay. Question number 16. What is the EJB port number? I said I don't know in the interview point of view because I don't know this port number. This is the evidence. EJB port number is 9000 is the EJB port number. If using default administrative control port number, okay. Application server is HD 9080, WebSphere application server HTTP port, and a WebSphere application 9443. And if you are dealing with specific client or server for the EJB, you need to check WebSphere server configurations like server.xml file is the most important file that why they are using, and exact port number used in your environment. Okay. This is EJB port number we are using in this. This is most 16 questions they are asked. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. We stop the screen sharing and recording.